What is up, YouTube? So today we are going, well, it's not today, this has been another day, but we are going to be checking out this race between this 2018 Mustang GT owned by my buddy Smoke Magnetic GT. You can go check him out right here on Instagram, and his buddy Mustang, who owns, it's like a BOLTON tuned Coyote 2015 Mustang. So they're gonna go at it, they're gonna have a little bonus footage. But hope you guys enjoy this video. Please leave a like if you like the Mustangs, and comment down below what you guys think about this race, and let us know down in the comments below, guys. Leave the like. See you later.
I'm still gonna send it.
If I die, I'm a legend. When they lay me down to rest, I know I was always repping.